So I was watching my favorite superhero movie the other day, and I saw my favorite character, Magnet Guy, lifting an entire submarine out of the sea using his magnetic powers. And I had a natural question. How strong would his magnetic field need to be to lift such a submarine from the sea, or how many bar magnets would that be equal to? Based on estimates from the movie clip, that figure works out to be 3 times 10 to the power of 7 Teslas. That's about 30 billion fridge magnets. Every magnetic field in the universe, from magnet guys to that of a neutron star, is governed by a set of equations called Maxwell's equations. I even had to use Maxwell's equations to get an estimate on magnet guys' field strength. The idea that electricity and magnetism were actually the same force was first conceived by Michael Faraday and formulated mathematically by James Maxwell and Oliver Heaviside. But what do all these symbols mean? Let's break them down now. The first one tells us that the strength of an electric field in a certain area is dependent on the charge of a particle. The second one tells us that a magnetic field always flows from the north to the south pole. Hence, if you try to break a magnet in half, it would form its own separate poles. The third equation says that a magnetic field that is changing gives you an electric field through a conductor. Therefore, the bulb over here lights up. And finally, the fourth equation dictates that a changing electric field produces a magnetic field. This is how an electromagnet works. So you might have heard that light is a wave, but how did we figure that out? After some tedious calculations, Maxwell used his equations to come up with another equation describing how an electromagnetic wave moves. He found the speed of that wave to be exactly the speed of light, but nothing other than light could go that fast. The only solution was to conclude that light is indeed an electromagnetic wave. In the end, Maxwell's equations have revealed to us many things in physics that we consider common knowledge. With that being said, thank you for watching.